Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is damarisnjengayt and I'm just going to go straight into this video. Forget my ratchetness. I just woke up, spent some few hours working on the Wi-Fi that we have in this guest house, and I'm about to show you what you get with for 50 birr. That is like $16. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour, and then I have 45 minutes to get ready. And as I get ready, because I'm supposed to check out at 10 a.m. Okay, I'm delaying in my concept of talking because time here is different. So if in Ethiopia it's 10 a.m, you say it's 4 a.m. So yeah, let me go straight into that, and then we'll have a chit chat as I get ready. I was so glad to find a Christmas tree decoration, and there's all that. I'll show you the exterior once I'm out. I just need to do this very fast. So this is the room, and have I shown you this? It's Christmas season. At least they recognize that it's Christmas season. So then we have a bed, and forgive my ratchetness. Forgive my ratchetness, I just woke up, and at least you can see I woke up well. It's a pretty good bed, very clean. Yeah. And these are just my tools. And then we have a place where you put stand and a few hangers, towel, just the basics, what you need for you to survive. Another stand, and then they gave me an extra soap, tissue. And guys, note that the socket here in Ethiopia mostly is the 2-pin, so you might want to carry yourself an extension cable. Then we have a washroom, which is just shower, cold shower. Anyway, I'm already used to that by now. And toilet, basic, and mirror. Yes. So, and then we have this sitting area where you can do your work and you can sit. I wish I worked from here. This would be a good one. And then let's see if we have a view. And this is the view we get from here. So I'm just about to go take a shower. As I told you guys, I have 45 minutes, but I thought it's important for me to show you what you get here as we continue having a chit chat. This remaining part is for those people who are really interested in me and my stay here, and a review of this place and all that, and my experience so far. So let me put in a shower, and I will see you in a few.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you.
So guys, I know I said I'm going to get ready as with you, but unfortunately time was running so fast, and I decided to just get ready, and then we're going to have a chit chat once we check out of this hotel. So I'm already packed, ready to go. Just pick my jackets. Yeah. And this is the reason why I pack light, because now I have to carry this anywhere, and depending on where tonight might end up, you know, I don't have like this whole luggage. Yeah, I'm excited about today. Let's see what it has in store. So this is me checking out this hotel. It was a nice stay, short-lived, but I enjoyed. So as I check out, I just want to keep you up to date with what I was up to yesterday night before I came to sleep. So today I'm treating myself. I'd say Christmas has come early. Yeah, hamburger. During lunchtime, I decided to take myself on a solo date, which was enjoyable and fun. I loved it. I would do more of this for sure. Yesterday, I met this local who took me to an Ethiopian restaurant. Though it was late, it was dark, so I wouldn't show you like the aesthetic of that place, but I thought it was so traditional and such a good vibe. I enjoyed different Ethiopian meal, which was perfect and interesting. And right now I am sitting in the lounge for this like hotel, or for this guest house. So let me give you a small snippet of what that looks like. We have seats, more rooms, a screen there, a screen, and Lalibela, which is the landmark here in Ethiopia, and a whole book exchange and receptionist office. So let's go downstairs as I go get something to eat.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and
We have a Christmas tree. Okay, let's see what we're going to have here. So I have moved and relocated so we can also have a small discussion as we chill for our avocado toast and tea. Now, there are some things I am so grateful for, and every day I do due diligence to write down things that I am so grateful for. And today being Christmas, had I even mentioned that today is Christmas? Yeah, it's the morning of Christmas, and I'm excited for this giveaway. I'm grateful, and I want to react to some of the comments that have been coming through about my move here. Thank you so much for all the people who are inspired by that video, for us to continue living the best lives we can ever create to ourselves. So today, as I was preparing, I was just saying thank you God for lovely subscribers who don't mind seeing me in the same outfits after like in such a long time. Yeah, because I carried like less luggage. I was also like, thank you God for good hair that I don't necessarily have to go to a salon and take care of it. And also thank you God for good skin and beauty. I don't have to do my makeup every day, you know. And I'm grateful for these little things. Today as we celebrate Christmas, I'm sending love to you. May you have the best Christmas that you have ever wished for. And of course, I'm grateful for you, all of you. Show love, share with other people if you have. And yeah. Avocado? No avocado toast? Okay. Let me see. So no avocado toast. All these other things I'm saying are pretty pricey. And I have to do my math right as a budget traveler, so let's see. But you know, today is Christmas. I can't decide, guys. So you know what? I'm of the concept, instead of using lots of money here, I can use that money to explore a different place. So we'll just have tea. So let's have that. Can I just have chai? Yes, so now we have tea. So as we wait for breakfast, I'd say one thing I'm so grateful about Ethiopia is every day is such a beautiful day. I have been loving all days here. Like you wake up, even if you feel down or something, when you look at the sky, it's so blue, the sun is sunny. It has only rained once here. So for my stay in Ethiopia, I'd say it's so good. Thank you to all the people who have shown me love, who've shown me support, and even invited me for an Ethiopian wedding. We will see how far we can push ourselves in our stay here in Ethiopia. Otherwise, I have met lovely people. I have met beautiful, accommodative, hospitable people who love and care. As much as we have the language barrier, I'm able to maneuver through, and so far so good, and I'm excited. And just like today, it's a very beautiful day. I can't wait to step out and see how far I can explore and how far I can see the things I can see and all that story. Yes, and a lot of talking as we wait for our tea. I will see you guys when the tea is here. So as you know, Ethiopia love coffee, but after staying here, I have come to discover that yes, I am faithful to my Kenyan people. I am a tea person. So we have our tea. Let me show you in a few. And yes, I hear you guys when you say I love sugar. Yes, I do love sugar. So as you can see in Ethiopia, one thing I came to learn very fast is there is no white tea and all that. So the concept is you either take milk or you take strong tea. Yeah, so I have come now to continue enjoying black tea. I'm actually not a big lover of milk, so I'm adding more sugar because that's what is giving it a taste. Yeah, But anyway guys, I'm just going to continue taking my tea. I don't think this is interesting enough for you to stick around watching me drink a cup of tea. So I'm just going to end this video here. Guys, I have plans for Christmas. I finally found someone who's willing to take me out to have a whole experience for Christmas. I'm excited to take you through that, and I can't wait to see what is in store. I have no idea what's going to be happening, but in the meantime, we're going to explore Ethiopia and wait for that time to come, and we are going to be together. I will see you guys, and as you know by now, I love Christmas, and I'm wishing you a happy, merry Christmas, and cheers to you. Okay, I promise you I'm not going to add any more teaspoon of sugar. Bye guys for now. I love you so much, and subscribe if you have not. I will see you in my next video. Bye.